Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is the Great Tay, and for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I installed these clip-ins. Okay, yes, that's what I said. I am wearing clip-ins. I'm not wearing a wig. It's not a weave. It's clip-ins. Okay, I bought these clip-ins at my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to show you how I installed it in literally less than 10 minutes. Okay, so don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So I know I'm looking crazy right now. Don't judge me, okay? So what I did here, I parted a section at the front of my hair and I just put like 3 plaits at the back of my head. The reason I'm showing you guys the black hair dye, that I used that at the front of my hair because it didn't really match the color clip-ins that I got, and I also will be using my Echo styling gel, and these are the clip-ins that I will be using, you guys. So I'll tell you, I'm using the Outre clip-ins. That's the name of the brand, and it has 9 pieces in total. 9 pieces in total came in one pack. So I had one piece 12. I had one 12-inch, one 10-inch, one 8-inch, one 7-inch, and a 5-inch weft and a 3-inch weft. And as you saw earlier, like a couple seconds ago, how the clip-ins kind of work, you just kind of like snap them in, you push it down in your hair, and then you just snap it, and it actually stays. Okay, like I was a little bit skeptic about clip-ins because I'm like, I don't want to be walking and you pull my hair and then they come off. No, it's not going to happen. It's not going to fall off. See, I was like pulling on my hair and it did not come off. Like, it's going to stay in place. As long as you secure it properly, it's going to stay in place. So if you can't cornrow, this is a super easy protective style as well for you, right? And if you don't know what to do with your hair, this is a great option as well. Like, you can do this in about 10 minutes. It's very easy to do. It's very, very, very fast as well, you guys. And as I said before, the clip-ins are not going to fall off. You see that? It's not going anywhere. It is not going anywhere. And I just continue to just put it all the way throughout my hair. And as I mentioned earlier, that it's 9 pieces in total, and I used all 9 pieces, and that was enough for my head. Like, I didn't need to use 2 packs. And as you can see, like, the hair, it's pretty stretchy and bouncy. Like, this hair, it's really good. Like, I highly recommend this hair, you guys. So, and also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you like content like these, you know, with hairstyle and beauty, fashion, stuff like that, feel free to subscribe to my channel and join the family. It is free. Okay, so just hit that subscribe button and like this video if you like this video, and share this video with a friend who likes content like these as well, you guys. And don't forget, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you've worn clip-ins before, and let me know if you haven't worn it before and if it's something that you are willing to try. So that little section at the front there, I noticed that it looked a little bit blank, so I decided to add like an additional clip in there. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just like parting the area at the front, you know, just to ensure that the part, it's very dominant. And then I'm just gonna add my Echo styling gel to my edges, just to get my edges to look a little bit laid. I did add a little bit of semi-permanent hair color to my hair. I added jet black. I just kind of like just added it to my hair. I didn't even wash it out. You know, I didn't wash it out or anything. It's just because The color that I got for the clip-ins, I got a number 1, and my natural hair color, it's not number 1, it's kind of like number 2. So that's what I should have gotten, but whatever. I just kind of like worked my way around it, so that's why I got the black hair dye. So now I'm just trying my best to blend in my natural hair with the clip-ins, because you don't want it to look too fake, right? You want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm using hairpins to secure my hair at the front, and you won't see the hairpins because the way that I do it, like, it's a little bit hidden underneath the clip-in, so you won't see the hairpins, right? But I'm using the hairpins to kind of like secure my hair at the front, you guys. So after doing all this, I had my hair down for about 10 to 15 minutes, you know, kind of like to get it to let my hair sit for a bit and let the gel dry underneath my hair, because you want those edges to be as laid as possible. Okay, sis, so this is what the hair looks like after, you guys. Like, come on, like, I really love these clip-ins. I think I'm gonna start wearing clip-ins more often, you guys. Like, it's my first time, and I'm sold. I'm absolutely sold on this hair. Let me know what you think, you guys. And also the brand that I got, the Outre brand, the texture of the hair, I actually like the texture of the hair. It is synthetic hair, so that's something that I did not mention earlier in my video, but just so you know, it is synthetic hair. It's not human hair, so don't expect it to last for a very long time, you know, as how human hair weaves would last. But I mean, the texture, it feels great. Like, it feels good. It doesn't really feel like synthetic hair. It doesn't really look like synthetic hair, actually. It could pass for virgin hair. Another thing to note, you guys, I paid 39 Canadian dollars for this hair, okay? Just 39 Canadian dollars for one pack, and one pack was enough for my entire head. So I'm not sure how that works in US dollars. I think it's like 45 US dollars. I'm not sure, don't quote me on this, but that's what I paid for one pack, you guys. And I bought this wig with I bought this clip in with my own money. This video is not sponsored, you guys, so they're not paying me to tell you that the hair is good hair, okay? I am giving you the truth and nothing but the truth, okay? So I hope you guys really did enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, you guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, you guys. Talk to me, let me know the type of content that, you know, if there's any other content or type of hairstyle that you guys want to see. So that's it for now, you guys. Stay blessed and keep motivated. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.